Are you constantly feeling tired, catching colds too often, or taking forever to recover from small wounds? These might be early signs that your immune system is weak, and if you ignore them, it could lead to bigger health problems in the future. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you warning signs of a weak immune system and, more importantly, how to fix it fast. Stick around till the end because tip 7 might surprise you. It's something you can start doing right now to strengthen your defenses. Understanding your immune system. Your immune system is like a personal security team, always on guard, protecting you from bacteria, viruses, and infections. It's a complex network of cells, organs, and proteins working together to keep you healthy. White blood cells, such as phagocytes and lymphocytes, act as your body's defenders. Phagocytes chew up invading organisms, while lymphocytes help recognize and destroy them if they return. But when your immune system is weak, it doesn't fight back properly, leaving you vulnerable to illnesses, slow recovery times, and even more serious health issues. Now that you know how your immune system works, let's look at the early signs it might be struggling and how to fix it fast. Signs your immune system is weak. 1. You frequently get sick. If you're catching colds more than 3 or 4 times a year, then your immune system is struggling to fight off infections. A healthy immune system should handle most viruses before they take over your body. Frequent illnesses are one of the clearest signs that your body's defenses need a quick boost. 2. You feel tired all the time. Constant fatigue, even after a full night's sleep, could mean your immune system is working too hard trying to defend your body, leaving you drained. Your body needs energy for immunity, so if you're always tired, it might be time to give your immune system some extra support. 3. Your wounds heal slowly. Your immune system is responsible for healing wounds, so if cuts, bruises, or even acne take much longer to heal than usual, your body might not be getting the nutrients it needs to repair itself. Slow healing can indicate that your immune cells aren't responding as quickly as they should. 4. You have frequent stomach issues. Did you know 70% of your immune system lives in your gut? If you have frequent diarrhea, constipation, or bloating, your gut might not be supporting your immunity properly. Improving your gut health through probiotics and a balanced diet can strengthen your immunity from the inside out. These are just the first 4 signs. Stay tuned because the next ones will surprise you. 5. You feel stressed or anxious often. Chronic stress releases cortisol, which weakens your immune system over time. If you're always stressed, your body struggles to fight off infections effectively. Stress can temporarily boost immunity, but chronic stress suppresses immune function, making you more susceptible to illnesses. 6. You keep getting skin infections. Your skin is your first line of defense against bacteria. If you keep getting rashes, fungal infections, or dry, irritated skin, it might be a sign your immune system is not protecting you properly. By boosting your immunity, you can help your skin stay healthy and resilient. Before we continue, I want to know, how often do you get sick in a year? Drop your answer in the comments below. Let's see how many of us need to boost our immune system. Your feedback helps me create content that matters to you. Let's chat. 7. You're always cold, even when others aren't. Surprising sign, right? A weak immune system can slow down circulation, making it harder for your body to regulate temperature. If you're always feeling colder than everyone else, your body might be struggling to maintain balance. This could be a subtle sign that your immune system needs a boost. 8. You rely on antibiotics too often. Needing antibiotics often can indicate that your immune system isn't strong enough to fight infections on its own. Instead of relying on medication, it's time to build up your body's natural defenses. Now that you know these signs, it's time to take action. Start boosting your immune system today. How to fix a weak immune system quickly. Now that you know the warning signs, here's how to fix your immune system. Let's get started with these simple yet powerful tips. 1. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water to flush out toxins. Proper hydration helps your immune cells function at their best. 2. Eat immune-boosting foods. Load up on citrus fruits, garlic, ginger, and leafy greens. These foods are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that boost your immune system. 3. Get quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of deep rest every night. Your immune system repairs itself while you sleep. 4. Exercise regularly. Even 30 minutes of movement boosts immune function. Exercise helps circulate immune cells throughout your body. 5. Fix your gut health. Eat probiotics like yogurt and fermented foods. A healthy gut is crucial for a strong immune system. Following these tips will strengthen your immune system and live a healthier life. Remember, your immune system is your superpower. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health-boosting tips. And remember to check the comments. I'd love to hear how often you get sick and what you are doing about it.